Welcome to the Stress Relief Yoga Routine. For this routine, you could use a set of blocks or a bolster and leave it right next to your mat. Come to the front of your mat, feet hip distance apart. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Release all the stress and the tension from the day. Now take your hands and place them on both of your elbows for Ragdoll Pose. Focus on releasing the tension in your lower back, in your hamstrings. It's okay to have your knees bent at this point. Just allow gravity to take over. Focus on the breath. Inhaling, expanding the rib cage. Exhaling, releasing all the tension. Rock your head yes. Shake your head no. Loosen up your jaw. Relax all the muscles in your face. Release your hands to the ground and slowly walk your feet back 1 foot at a time until you are in downward facing dog, making sure your feet are hip distance apart and your hands are shoulder distance apart. Ground through your hands, engage your arms and your legs. Focus on evenly distributing your weight, pressing through your heels. Inhaling and exhaling. Steady the mind. On your inhale, lift your right leg up behind you and then bring it through to the top of your mat, landing your right ankle behind your left wrist and your right knee behind your right wrist. Your leg does not need to be in a 90-degree angle here. Do what feels comfortable and safe for your knee, ensuring you are not putting any stress on it. Untuck your back toes and sink your hips into the floor. Make sure your hips are squared and that one isn't lifting higher than the other. If it is, use a blanket or a block to even them out. You could choose to stay here, or on your next exhale, fold over your bent leg, either stacking your fist or relaxing yourself to the ground. Focusing on releasing the tension. Focusing on your breath. Inhaling, expanding your rib cage. Exhaling, releasing all that no longer serves you. Breathe into the tension. Exhale, let it melt away. On your next inhale, slowly start to lift up and walk your palms back towards you. From pigeon, we're going to lean over on our right side. Swing your left leg around so it's in front of you, keeping your right leg bent and your right foot resting on your left inner thigh. Flex your left toes back towards you and maintain a slight bend in your knee. Inhale, lift your arms up and rotate your torso so your navel lines up with your left leg. Exhale as you fold over your left leg, releasing everything to the ground. Relaxing your shoulders. Inhaling expanding the rib cage. Exhaling, releasing all the tension. Noticing where you're holding on to tension. Noticing your breath as you relax into the pose. Clearing your mind, slowly coming up one vertebrae at a time. Swing your left leg back and we'll come into our tabletop position with our knees under our hips and our hands under our shoulders. Slowly walk the hands in front of you, tuck the toes. Press your pelvis toward the ceiling, coming into downward facing dog, evenly distributing the weight. Taking nice deep inhales, releasing the tension on the exhales. Centering your mind. From here, we're going to come into pigeon on the other side. So lift up your left leg. Now bring it through, leading with the knee, going behind your left wrist and your foot behind your right wrist. Squaring the hips up. Placing a block under the left hip if that's what serves you best. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, forehead comes to the mat or on stacked fists. Focus on melting into the mat, releasing that tension. Inhale, expand the rib cage. Exhale, release the tension. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Let go of the tension you feel in your hips. Bring your awareness towards your breath. Notice how each inhale and exhale you do is different from one another. Centering your mind. Slowly come back up. Walk your hands back to your hips. From pigeon, lean your weight over the left side and swing your right leg in front of you. Gently place your left foot on your right thigh. Flex your right toes. Inhale, arms up. Align your navel with your right leg. Exhale, hinge and forward fold. Allow the hands to come to the mat. Allow your body and mind to let go. Give yourself permission to just be. Inhale, expand the rib cage. Exhale, release your tension. Notice how you're feeling. Notice how everything's okay, even when you let go. Slowly begin to come up one vertebrae at a time. Cross your right leg over your left as we get into our easy seat pose. Place your hands on your knees. Close the eyes. Elongate the spine. and focus on your breath. Notice your breath. Notice the tension melting away. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, twist to your right. Left hand goes to the right knee. Right hand goes behind you. Inhale, imagining a string lifting the top of your crown. Exhale, gently twisting a little deeper. Inhale, expanding the rib cage. Exhale, gently twisting. Notice the breath. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, twist over to the left. Right hand comes to the left knee. Left hand goes behind you. Inhale, straightening the spine. Exhale, gently twisting a little deeper. Focus on expanding the rib cage. Taking in those deep breaths. Noticing your breath. Exhaling, gently twist and release the tension. Relaxing the shoulders. Inhale, come back to neutral and easy seat. Bring your hands out in front of you, and then slowly roll down to your back using your core. Uncross your legs and bring the soles of your feet to touch for reclined bound angle. You could bring your feet away from your body so that your legs are forming a diamond shape. Rest your hands on your thighs or on the ground, allowing your body to fully relax here. Breathing in, expanding the rib cage. Breathing out, letting the tension melt away. Feel the gravity pulling your knees down to the mat. Feel your muscles being released. Noticing your breath. Using your breath as an anchor to relax your body, to relax your mind. Just let go. Slowly start to bring your knees together and prepare for legs up the wall. Either find a wall close by or place a bolster under your hips and slowly bring your feet up to straighten your legs. Focus on relaxing the body and letting your hands rest on the ground, allowing the tension to melt away. Noticing your breath. noticing how letting go allows you to relax, allows you to reset. Inhale, exhale, let go. Bring your legs back down to the mat. Straighten out your legs. Now bring your feet close to your hips and shift the weight over to the right. Straighten out your left leg. Bring your right knee into your chest to prepare for a twist. Place your left hand on your right knee and slowly twist over to the left, opening up your right arm, gazing over to the right. Inhaling, exhaling, releasing the tension. Inhale, exhale, let go. Inhale one more time. Exhale, release your right foot back to the ground. Bring both feet back to your hips. Now shift your weight over to your left side. Straighten out your right leg. Bring the left knee to your chest. Grab the left knee with your right hand and slowly twist over to the right, opening up your left hand on your left side and gazing over to the left as you exhale everything down. Inhale, filling up your lungs. Exhaling, allowing everything to let go. Relax the tension in your neck. Release the tension in your shoulders. Inhale one more time. Exhale, let go of your leg and bring it back down to the mat. Straighten out both legs and prepare for Savasana. Simply by allowing your body to rest, just letting go, just being, allowing gravity to take over. Release the tension in your face. Let go of the tension in your neck. Relax your shoulders. Allow the back of the hands to sink into the floor. Release your core. Let go of the tension in your hips. Release the muscles in your legs and in your feet. And just let go. Focus on your breath, not trying to make the breath even, but just noticing it. Stay here as long as you like, and we'll see you in the next practice.